Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from ATWP WordPress hosting. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you backup and restore your WordPress website automatically and easily with our powerful WordPress toolkit. So let's get started. The only thing you need to do is just to navigate to WordPress dashboard in your ATWP WordPress hosting panel. Then you will find the button for backup and restoring your website. So I'm going to click on that. As you can see, there's no backup available for my website right now, but if I want, I can just click on backup and my website is going to be backed up in this directory /home/WordPress backups. As you can see, my website was very small and the backup has been created successfully. I can just restore it with one click without needing to send any support tickets to our support. You can download it or you can remove it. For example, if I just want to restore this one, I click on that and restore it. After just a few seconds, your backup will be completely restored from this file, which means that backing up and restoring your WordPress website is much more easier than ever with our powerful WordPress toolkit. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.